What do you think this couple is doing in the middle of the road? Please comment and let us know. The engineer who designed this bridge owns a chain of repair stores nearby.
Alles gut? Junge, war der geil.
Is he testing the durability of life in the face of this accident? The truck driver had difficulty deciding which to choose, so he decided to drive straight into the toll booth. The dump truck crushed the car like a piece of paper. This is a warning.